Hello everyone, welcome back to Design School A. In our series of Basics of UI UX Design, now we'll move to 10 usability heuristics. So let's get started. Almost one fourth of all apps, 24%, are used only once, mostly because they don't live up to the user expectations. While there are many techniques and methodologies used to streamline the UI UX, Nielsen's 10 heuristics is one of them. 25 years ago, Jacob Nielsen described the 10 general principles for interaction design. They were called heuristics because these were general rules of thumb and not meant to be prescriptive guidelines. These methods can be used to speed up the process of finding a satisfactory solution. They can be used to analyze the UX of applications that support domain specific, complex workflows, etc. A heuristic evaluation is a detailed analysis of the app's user interface and overall user experience. It is judged using predetermined qualitative criteria which are derived from usability principles. Basically, it pinpoints the areas where the app's UI or UX needs to be improved. The first of Nielsen's 10 heuristics is visibility of system status. A large part of usability is transparency into what the app is doing and giving users the right feedback within a reasonable amount of time. The second one is match between system and the real world. It should communicate with the user utilizing language and design elements that are familiar to them. The third one is the user control and freedom. To ensure the user have control over their situation, build a way for them to get out of the trouble without having a contact technical support. Fourth one is the consistency and standards. It should follow the interface standards and platform conventions because usability means consistency with other platforms around the web and the other applications. Fifth one is error prevention. To design the user experience that users are presented with ways to sidestep or probable mistake or eliminate the possibility of the error being made. The sixth one is recognition rather than recall. Make actions and options visible and lessen the amount of memory work the user has to do. The seventh one is the flexibility and efficiency of use. A design flexible enough to cater a wide variety of users for both newbies and the experts. The eighth one is the aesthetic and minimalist design. Pare it down to the basics. Be minimalist, whether it is in the graphical elements on screen or the words in the dialog box. The ninth one is help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. Express the error messages and offer solutions to them. They need to be precise so the users know what exactly wrong and can avoid the same mistake in the future. And the last one is help and documentation. In an ideal world, users would never need documentation, but in case they do, make it easy for the users to help themselves. Thus, Nielsen's 10 heuristics can be good checklist for analyzing features of a product, as it is a tool to optimize the user experience. So, that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. In the series of the basics of UI UX design, stay tuned for the next video. And for more such videos, do follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.